Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. Today I am taking a topic polynomials. In previous classes already you have learned about polynomials. Whatever you learned in previous classes, we shall take a glance. In that first one, constant. Constant, a symbol which has fixed value is called constant. Constants are denoted by small alphabets like A, B, C, dash, 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 etc. Examples for constant: 3, 7/3, pi, 6 plus √2, dash dash, etc. Next term is variable. A symbol which does not fixed value. A symbol which has fixed value is called constant. A symbol which does not have any fixed value but may be assigned value according to requirement or situation is called variable. A symbol which does not fixed value but may be assigned value according to requirement. Variables are denoted by small alphabets like U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, dash dash dash. Terms are separated by positive or negative signs but not multiplicative and division signs. It means terms are separated by only positive and negative signs. Next, algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means one or more constants or variables or both are connected with the symbols like positive sign, negative sign and multiplicative sign and division signs forms an algebraic expression. Examples for algebraic expressions: number 1, x square; number 2, 2x square minus x; number 3, 1 by x; number 4, root x; number 5, x square by 5; number 6, 2 plus 3 square root of 3 x to the power 5. Next, polynomial. What is polynomial? In any algebraic expression, the power of the variable in each term is whole number, then it is called polynomial. In any algebraic expression, the power of the variable is a whole number, then it is called a polynomial. In any algebraic expression, the power of the variable in a is a whole number, then it is called polynomial. Example here one, first one, x square. Here power of the variable is whole number. Power of the variable is 2. 2 is a whole number, therefore x square is a polynomial. Second example, 2x square minus x. Here power of the variable, this is the first term, here negative sign is there, this is the second term. Here first term, here in this first term the power of the variable is 2. In first term third example, here in second term power of the variable is 1. Means in this polynomial power of the variables in each term are whole numbers. Therefore 2x square minus x is a polynomial. Next example number 3. Next example number 3 is 1 by x. 1 by x here, x power is how much? 1. It is nothing but x to the power minus 1. Here power of the variable is, power of the variable is minus 1. Minus 1 is not a whole number. Minus 1 is not a whole number. Therefore 1 by x is not a polynomial. Next fourth one is example number 4, root x. Root x is nothing but x to the power 1 by 2. Here variable is x, power is 1 by 2. In this algebraic expression, variable power is, power of the variable is 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 is not a whole number. 1 by 2 is not a whole number. Therefore root x is not a polynomial. Next, degrees of the polynomial. Degrees of the polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? See, the highest power of the variable is in a polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. Suppose example, it is the one of the polynomial x square minus x to the power 5 plus 2, it is the one of the polynomial. In this polynomial, first you write the variables in descending order. Here first power is highest power, x to the power 5 is there, next x to the power 2 is there, next there is no x term, only constant term is there. Here x to the power 5 is having minus sign, minus x to the power 5 plus x square, here x square is having plus sign, plus 2. Here highest power of the variable is 5, therefore degree of the polynomial is 5. Example number 2, x to the power 8 minus 5. It is a polynomial. Highest power of the variable is 8. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 8. Next, types of polynomials. Types of polynomials, in that first one is linear polynomial. Second one is quadratic polynomial. What is linear polynomial? In any polynomial, the highest power of the variable is 1. It is called linear polynomial. Here next example, here linear polynomial examples: number 1 x, number 2 2x, number 3 2x minus 5, number 4 2x plus 8. Next, quadratic polynomial. Same definition. Instead of 1 you write 2. Instead of linear you write quadratic. Remaining are same. See, what is quadratic polynomial means? In any polynomial, the highest power of the variable is 2. Is called quadratic polynomial. Only change these two numbers, this one number and this one word, then it is called quadratic polynomial. In quadratic polynomial, for quadratic polynomial, example x square, second one example x square minus x, third one example 3x square minus x plus 2, fourth one example x square minus 2. Next, third one, cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? You see the definition of linear polynomial. In any polynomial, the highest power of the variable is 1 is there. Instead of 1 you write 3. And next is called linear is there. Instead of linear you write cubic. It means in any polynomial, the highest power of the variable is 3, is called cubic polynomial. Here examples for cubic polynomial: number 1 is x cube minus x, second one is x cube minus 2, third one is x cube minus x square, fourth one is x cube minus x minus 2. See, in these polynomials, cubic polynomials, x cube is common, compulsory x cube term is compulsory. It means x cube is compulsory. Suppose x cube is not there, means this is linear polynomial. Here x cube is not there, means this is constant. Suppose here x cube is not there, means this is linear polynomial. Suppose here also x cube is not there, means this is quadratic polynomial. Next, zero of a polynomial. What is zero of a polynomial? Here example linear polynomial 2x plus 8, another example x minus 8. Here zero of a polynomial means what? For assigned value of x, for any assigned value of x, this polynomial is equal to 0. For any assigned value of x, this polynomial is equal to 0. Then it is called zero of a polynomial. That number x value is called zero of a polynomial. Example 2x plus 8. This is nothing but p of x. Let p of x is equal to 2x plus 8. Here you take x value, let x is equal to 1. Substitute in equation p of x is equal to 2x plus 8. P of 1 is equal to 2 of 1 plus 8 is equal to 2 1 ja 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Suppose let x is equal to minus 4. You take numbers either serial or positive numbers or negative numbers or 0 or even fraction numbers also. Here next I am taking 4. Here minus 4. Minus 4 means p of x is equal to what? P of x is equal to 2x plus 8. P of minus 4 is equal to 2 of minus 4 plus 8. Here plus into minus, minus 8. This is plus 8. Cancelled. It is nothing but 0. Then minus 4 is a 0 of the given polynomial. Then minus 4 is a 0 of a polynomial 2x plus 8. It means for any assigned value the polynomial is equal to 0, then it is called, that value, assigned value is called 0 of the polynomial. Example number 2. Here x minus 8. Suppose let p of x is equal to x minus 8. Here x minus, let x is equal to 8. P of 8 is equal to 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, here for which value the polynomial is 0? For 8. X value is, assigned value is 8. Therefore, my 8 is a 0 of the polynomial x minus 8. Next, example number 3. 2x plus 3. You have to find the assigned value of x. It means assigned value of x is equal to the polynomial is equal to 0. It means first, otherwise in first example and second example there are whole numbers, assigned values are whole numbers. Here you take whole numbers, the polynomial is not equal to 0. Then you have to calculate, that one is one easy method. You see, take a polynomial 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the linear polynomial. Equal to 0 means this is the linear equation. When a polynomial is equal to 0, that is called equation. Equation means here linear polynomial is there, linear equation. Quadratic polynomial is there, quadratic equation. Cubic polynomial is there, cubic equation. Next, in this one, here 2x as it is, this plus 3 comes this side, minus 3. Here 2 and x, in between these two, multiplication sign is there, comes this side, division. This is the x value. For this value, the polynomial is equal to 0. Check this one. 2x plus 3. What is the assigned value for x? Minus 3 by 2. 2 into, see, into minus 3 by 2 plus 3. This 2 and this 2 cancels. Here minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 3 by 2 is a assigned value for x. Minus 3 by 2 is called, is a 0 of a polynomial 2x plus 3. Next, geometrical meaning of zeros of a polynomial. What is the geometrical meaning means? Suppose example 2x plus 3, it is a linear polynomial. Find the value of x, or find the 0 of this polynomial by using graph. Here this is the table. Here the given whole polynomial is equal to y is equal to 2x plus 3. Here x value is assigned value. X value is 2, first one is 2, second one is 1, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 2. See here, first one you take x value is 2, find the y value. Next one is x1 value is 1, x value is 1, find the value of y. X value is 0, find the value of y. X value is minus 1, find the value of y. X value is minus 2, find. Here x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2x plus 3, y is equal to 2 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 ja 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Here this is 7. Next, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2x plus 3, y is equal to 2 into 1 plus 3, 2 1 ja 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5, y is equal to 5. Next, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 0. Here y is equal to what? Y is equal to 2x plus 3, y is equal to 2 into 0 plus 3. 2 into 0 is nothing but 0 plus 3 is nothing but 3. When x is 1, y is 5. When x is 0, this is 3. When x is minus 1, you calculate this one. Here minus into plus, minus 2 1 is 2, plus 3 minus 2 is nothing but plus 1. When x is minus 4 means here instead of x you put minus 2. Here this is 2 into minus 2 is nothing, this is plus 2, this is minus 2 is nothing but minus 4, plus 3 is nothing but minus 1. You calculate both these values. Next, you draw a graph. Locate the points, all the points, whatever the points in the color table, you locate on the graph. First one is when x value is 2, y value is 7. You see, this is the graph, this is the first quadrant, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth quadrant. Here in your graph, smaller 10 columns are there. In each 10 columns is equal to 1 centimeter. This is mark 1, this is 2, this is like this. You draw a horizontal and vertical line. Here left side minus signs, right side plus signs. In topper plus signs, downside negative sign. Here for after 4, 5, next 6, next 7. Here first you see the value. X value is 2, y value is how much? 7. This is also plus number. This is x value is plus 2 means here plus 2. 7 means go straight here. This is the point mark by into mark. Here in this you write x value is 2, y value is 7. Next, what is the point? You see, x value is 1, y value is 5. When x value is plus 1, y value is 5 means here, this is the 5. This is nothing but 1, 5. This point coordinates are 1 and 5. Next, when x value is 0, y value is plus 3. X value is 0. This is the 0 origin. Here x value is 0, y value is 3. This is the 0, 3. Next, x value is minus 1. Here x value is minus 1. Here y value is plus 1. X value is minus 1, plus 1. This is minus 1, plus 1. X value is minus 2. This is minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1. You draw a line, straight line. This is the straight line. This is the y is equal to 2x plus 3 is a straight line. It means where the straight line intersects x axis. See, this is the intersecting point in between minus 1 and minus 2. It is nothing but this is the 0 of the polynomial. It means 0 of the polynomial between 1 and 2 is nothing but 1 by 1 and 2 is nothing but 1.5. 1.5 is nothing but minus 1.5 is nothing but minus 3 by 2. This is the value. Here, see here, this is the given polynomial 2x plus 3. Then you equate it, this polynomial is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5 minus 1.5. Here 1.5 means the 0 is coming in between minus 1 and minus 2 is nothing but 1.5. This is the exact correct answer. See the geometrical meaning of a zeros of a polynomial. For example number 2, x square minus 3x minus 4. Here this is the polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Why? Because this is highest power of the variable is 2. This is the quadratic polynomial. For this quadratic polynomial, you write y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Draw a table of this one. First you find the table. Suppose assigned value is, you see, x is equal to minus 2. Then you calculate the y value. Y is equal to what? Y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Y is equal to x is minus 2 whole square minus 3 minus 2, instead of x putting minus 2. Here minus 2 is whole square is nothing but 4, minus into minus plus, 3 2 is 6, minus 4, this one and this one cancel, this is equal to 6. First one is when x is equal to minus 2, y value is 6. X is equal to minus 1. When x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Y is equal to, here instead of x you write minus 1 whole square minus 3 bracket of minus 1 minus 4. Here is equal to minus 1 whole square is nothing but plus 1, minus into minus plus 3 1 ja 3, next minus 4. Here this is also plus sign, this is also plus sign, plus 4 minus 4 is nothing but 0. When x is equal to minus 1, this value is 0. When x is equal to 0, find the value of y. X is equal to 0, y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Y is equal to 0 square minus 3 into 0 minus 4. 0 square is nothing but 0. 3 into any number is multiplied by 0 is nothing but 0 minus 1. This is nothing but minus 4. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 4. X is equal to 1. Find the value of y. When x is equal to 1, then y is equal to, you find the y value. X is equal to 1, y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4, y is equal to 1 whole square minus 3 into x is 1 minus 4 is equal to 1 square is nothing but 1, minus into plus minus, 3 1 ja 3 minus 4, here minus 4 and minus 3 is nothing but minus 7, 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 6. Here 1 square is nothing but 1, here minus sign and plus sign, minus into plus minus, 3 1 ja 3 minus 4 as it is. Here this is also minus sign, this is also minus sign, you add these to 4 plus 3 is nothing but minus 7, here 1 plus 1 minus 7 is nothing but minus 6. Here y value is minus 6. Next here this table, here the points are located in the points, this one points are located in the graph paper. This is the graph paper, this is first quadrant, this is second, third and fourth quadrant. You locate the points. Here when x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to how much? 6. X is equal to minus 2 means x value, this is x axis x, this is x dash, this is y, this is y dash. Here x value is minus 2, x value is minus 2, y value is plus 6. Here plus 6 means straight you go here minus 2 plus 6. This is the point, first coordinate point. Next one is x value is minus 1, y value is 0. X value is minus 1, this is the minus 1, y value is 0. This is the point, minus 1 comma 0, y value is 0. Next when x value is 0. See, when x value is 0, y value is minus 1. This is the x value 0, y value is minus 4 means this is the point 0 minus 4. Next, see, when x value is 1, y value is minus 1. X value is plus 1, y value is 6. This is the 6. This is 1 comma minus 6. Next you draw a graph that is like this, either open ended in upward or open ended in downward. This type of graph is called parabola. This type of graph is called parabola. It means this parabola cuts x axis in 2 points. This is the one point, this is the another point. The parabola cuts x-axis in 2 points. X-axis is this is the number 1 point, this is the number. These two are the zeros of a polynomial. These two are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Here, this is, you calculate the, note down this number. This is the one of the zero, this is the another zero. Okay, okay students, this is the class about polynomial, degrees of the polynomial, types of polynomials. In the types of polynomials, linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. In that geometrical meaning of the polynomials, in that first one is linear polynomial, second one is quadratic polynomial. This ends the class. Next class we will start cubic polynomial and remaining part of the quadratic polynomial.